Morning falls upon the water town. The window lights turn gold,
and little waves beneath the houses drift soft,
gentle and slow,
across the reeds and silver haze, where the quiet canals run.
A little city wakes in light as drifting day has come. Old wooden doors and narrow paths, small bridges worn and low,
And every house upon the water glows in the morning glow.
in the city on the water we wander, past the boats and lantern light,
Past the windows, past the doorways,
past the blue and silver tide. In this very unusual town, every old dream still can stay,
and the whole world turns so softly
as the water holds the day. Along the pathways made of wood, gray-haired neighbors stand,
sharing bread and cups of tea,
with warm and weathered hands. Some tie ropes beside the stairways, some sweep the morning rain,
and little bells from floating porches echo down the lane.
in the city on the water we wander, past the gardens, past the pier,
Past the windows bright with firelight,
past the calm of many years.
in this very unusual town,
Every small thing knows its place,
and the years drift slow as ripples
in the harbor's old embrace. At dusk the lanterns start to glow along the wooden sides,
one orange light beside a door
shine